Welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. What I did was I took some dal mash, put it in the water, let it soak, then drained the water. I've put new water with some salt. I put the dal in there and I've been boiling that for about 40 minutes now. You can do this in a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker should take you about 3 to 4 minutes to do the same thing. Let's have a look. That looks about done. We don't want it to turn into a complete soft mush. We want it to be just about cooked. Yep, that looks right. We'll drain the water, take the mash out and put it to the side. Take a pan, add some oil in there, turn our flame to medium-high. Let that warm up. Go in with our onions. Been diced into small pieces. We want to soften these onions and get a slightly brown color on them. We don't want them to crisp up, we just need them nice and soft. We'll go in with our ginger and garlic. I've turned them into a paste. Again, you can use ready-made ginger garlic pastes. These are fresh. Not that difficult to do. Give that a good mix. As you can see, it's changed color now. Go in with our tomatoes. What I've done with the tomatoes is I've taken the skin off and then pureed them. Mix that in. Let that cook together. That's our mix masala. It's got a few different spices in there. Like I said, you can buy ready-made masala called Bazaar masala. It's available everywhere. Mix that in. That's our chili flakes. Bit of water. Say about 3 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Mix that. About half a cup of water. Cover that up. Let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. See, the water's reduced down now. Everything's gotten together, nice and soft. We'll add our pre-boiled dal mash that we drained. You can see. Give that a good mix. You want to mix this with a light hand. You don't want the dal to break. Make sure everything's coated with this lovely sauce that we made. As you can see, everything's nicely coated. This is one of the reasons we didn't cook it fully, because we are cooking it again. We'll add a cup of water. Give that a mix. Let that dry out a little bit. Should take about 6 minutes. We'll add half a cup of water. Cover it up with a lid. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now the dal should have cooked all the way through. Stir that around. That's our Kasuri Methi. Add that in. Give that a mix. As you can see, the water level has gone down quite a bit. It's evaporated. That's Garam Masala. Add that in. Give that a mix again. As you can see, the consistency of it's changed. It's becoming more dry. We'll add green chilies. Optional. You can add them or leave them out, or add more. Cover that up. Put it to the side. We'll take a small little frying pan. Add ghee to it. This is our tadka. Going to add Zeera, cumin. We want to cook this Zeera till we get a nice color on it. We don't want it to burn though, so we need to keep an eye on it constantly. Move it around. As soon as it changes color, we need to take it off the heat, and it will go straight into our dal. That's it. We'll cover the dal up, and it's ready to serve up now. So let's go and plate this up. As you can see, the dal's come out quite nice. It tastes really good with roti, naan. You can even serve it with rice. We'll garnish that up with some fresh coriander. Please try this recipe out. Let us know how you got on with it. If you do get stuck, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.